we've got 2 left. 1 left. Rest in peace. We need to hide the evidence. Oh no, there's still some left. Wait, there's no. Ah! Ah! It's in the floor. Let's hide the evidence. Shit. We need animal to harvest. Oh wait, let me go get my Merwin. Quickly. And then we can use the polymer from the baby. Which they kindly left us. Rest in peace. It was fun while it lasted.